Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make corner shelf. For the material I'm going to choose 3/4 inch thick ply, but before proceeding to the table saw I decided to cut down to the manageable size so that it would be easy to drag these pieces onto the table saw. To cut the ply straight I used my circular saw straight cutting jig. Once the pieces cut down to the manageable size, I move on to my table saw, set the fence and start ripping the pieces. In my design, I kept all of the pieces of equal dimension, but the top and the bottom of the shelves are half of the rest of the assembly just for the aesthetic purpose. Then I mark the center onto one of the piece, screwed it onto the jig and start cutting the corner into round shape. During this method, always make sure not to raise the blade too high because it might cause kickback and might give you a serious injury. Going to be the main template of my build, but before proceeding I decided to give the edge a smooth finish so that it would be easy for the router to follow the profile. Once the edges of the main template has been smoothed out, I transfer the curve onto the rest of the pieces and cut out with the help of a jigsaw. There would be no need to follow the lines as straight as possible because in the end you are going to round off with the help of router. Then I screw the template onto the pieces and with the help of flush trim router bit, I flush down all the edges. To provide a small fillet to the top and the bottom portion, I use this 2.5 inch dia circle as a template to round over the edges of these pieces. To give it some good looks, I decided to use these teak wood walls. I'm definitely going to showcase you how this thing looks when mounting onto the walls. If you like this build, then please smash the subscribe and like button, and also don't forget to leave your valuable comments in the comment section down below. And thanks for watching.